Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing us how to install Node.js so that we can be able to run JavaScript code from server and not from browser. So Node.js is a runtime environment for running JavaScript. So quickly I'm going to go to Google Chrome so that I can get to nodejs.com. So I can simply type in www.node.org or com. Let me try com first, so that from there I can trace the remember, anything that you want to get in on Google and you don't know the address, you can simply go into this tab, Google tab, and type it. So I'm going to open another place. So I'm going to simply type node.js so that I can get to the, you can see nodejs.org. So this is actually their website, nodejs.org. So it's going to open like this. So this is where you can click to download. This is version 13.13. This is the most current version, but you don't actually need the most current version. You need the stable version that is recommended. You can see it is written here, recommended for most users. This is what you need because this one is stable and it can run very efficiently without any problem. So quickly I'm going to click on this stable version and allow it to download. I'm going to close this up. So if you want to get the node in your system, simply go to nodejs.org. So that is the right website and you can see that it is opening. So once you get to your address bar, type https colon /slash nodejs.org. So if you put slash English, it will get you to the English website. You can see that it is downloading here. So after downloading, I'm going to be able to install it. So you can see the download here. So Node.js is a runtime environment. You can see Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. So this Chrome V8 JavaScript engine is the JavaScript engine that interprets for JavaScript in Chrome browser. So somebody took it out from Chrome browser and embedded it inside C++ language and created this Node.js. So that's why you can actually use it to run codes outside of the browser. So that's why I'm installing it, so that I can run JavaScript code outside of a browser. So I'm going to wait for it to finish installing. So once it is done installing, I'm going to be able to install it on my system and have Node.js. So once again, the address is nodejs.org. That is the address that you type in your address bar. To bring it to this page, you click on this very button so that it will install. You can see that it's almost done installing. So immediately after installing, it is almost done downloading. Immediately after downloading, I'm going to run the install. So that is how you get Node.js. So with this, you can start building JavaScript application on the server in the system without actually using web browser. If you also want to use web browser, we can as well, but we can run some commands from the console. We can run some commands from command prompt and actually test our JavaScript code and see the way it works. You can see this is written download for Windows 64-bit because that's the Windows I'm using. So I think it has a way of dictating the bit that is in your operating system, so that it will take you to the right page so that you can get the right node. Now you can also see where they wrote downloads and get involved and documentations. If you want to study more about Node.js, you can check through all this. You can scroll down and you can check much thing about Node.js. So you can see that my download is complete. So I'm going to click here and click on open because I want to install my Node.js. I want to get it into install. So like I said before, the web address is nodejs.org. Now I'm going to click on next because I'm installing it. I'm going to click on accept terms of an agreement. I'm going to click on next again. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on next. And I'm going to click on next again. And I'm going to finally click on install and wait for it to install. So it's gonna take a few time before it does the installation. So I'm gonna wait for it to finish installing. Node.js is very important. Like I said before, it is the runtime environment used for running JavaScript on the server. So it's no longer mandatory that you must run your JavaScript on the web browser. So with the help of Node, you can simply run your JavaScript on the server. Please, if you like this our video, click on the subscribe button. There is a subscribe button on this side of my video. So click on yes so that my system can allow for the installation of Node. So click on this subscribe button. If you have any question concerning programming, especially if you're in Nigeria or in Africa, you can always drop your question on the comment section below so that I can answer you. If you have suggestions on the videos that you want me to make so that everybody can have it, please feel free to let me know about it so that I'll work on the video and get it uploaded. Tclassified.com is a learning platform that connects all students in Africa, creating a very good ecosystem for us to learn. So if you have any questions on the best way to go about this, you can also drop it on the comment section. So our node is installing. We're going to let it install fully so that we can use the command prompt and check whether we have node in our system. So very importantly, that's what we're going to be doing. It's still installing. So if you want, why do we need to use Node instead of PHP? Or there are other languages that can actually help us to create applications. Okay, I'm gonna click on finish. So once I click on finish, I expect the node to have finished installing. So what do I do next? What I'm gonna do next is that to make sure that it has already installed, I'm gonna click here on this search button below. I'm gonna type in CMD. CMD simply means command prompt. So this is command prompt. I'm going to open it because I want to check whether node is installed. So I'm gonna just type in node space /v because I want to check the version. You can see version 10.13. That means that I have node. Version 10.13 is actually the version. You can see it here, 10.13. And when you check here, you see it's 10.13. So this means that I already have node because it can already read the version where that I have on my system. So if you want to check the version, just type in node space, put this put -v to give you the version 10.13. You can see that that is the version I installed, 10.13.0. You can see it here, 10.13.0. So that is where we're going to be stopping for now. In subsequent classes, we are going to get into starting to use Node.js. Please, if you like this video, share it so that your friends can see it. Hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions concerning these and other things that we're doing in Tclassified.com, drop it on the comment section. Thank you. God bless you. See you in the next class.